welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to tackle the refrigerator. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and thank you for watching. Alright guys, so this is how it's looking. I am going to go ahead and bring the stuff that I bought from Aldi and just set it up right here. So these are basically my lunches and my sister's lunch and dinner. So I am gonna have this for lunch. I'm gonna have my snack right now, and then I'm gonna go ahead and make more smoothies. This is for a snack. It's a salad. So I'm supposed to do breakfast as a smoothie and then have a snack, which I'm gonna have that, or something else, and then I have my lunch like around 2 or 3, and then I'll have another snack around 6, and then I'll have dinner, which is this last one, at 8 or 8:30, just so I won't be that hungry. And then I did this like this. This is bell peppers. I have noticed that they last longer if I do it here, and then it was recommended by one of the YouTubers. I'm not sure which one. So if I can find her, I'll link her down below. And then some celery. I have some electrolytes right here, or Pedialyte. This we use a lot. I gotta get more because we're running pretty low. Mayonnaise. I think that's what it's called. I always butcher it. But then we have vanilla Greek yogurt. And then I have 2 of those. That one's not open, but this one is. And then all the milks here. I did buy some more milk because we do a lot of smoothies here and I don't want to run low. This is for my brother-in-law. And then I need to go get more coffee. I did also put the yogurts here because they're dairy. So, you know, I have the coffee creamers and the whipped cream here. So I wanted to do this. Then I have my Skinny Girl strawberry rosé jam. This one I still have to clean, like as you guys see. Oh my god, I'm not eating bread right now, or cheese, or any dairy. So we are going to go ahead and clean this up, make sure that everything that's expired is going in the garbage, and then everything else is gonna stay. So these milks are actually my mother's, and then we use these, and almond milk and coconut milk for the smoothies. So it's not technically milk, it's made out of almonds and oats and coconut. So this looks like that. I gotta clean this part as well, so you guys are gonna see that. But I went ahead and removed all of these and then clean up a little bit in here because there was a lot of gooey and nastiness. So that's how it looks. I put some eggs. I did have 2 more boxes of eggs because you guys know that eggs are really expensive, but we go through eggs like crazy here. I also got some more blueberries and raspberries, and then I gotta do the freezer, which is another part that's gonna be gross, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna close it because it's telling me to close it. Okay guys, so this is all I got. I got a cantaloupe, I got honey, I got some cinnamon, we got some garlic powder, onion powder, 2 things of pumpkin puree, this baking cocoa powder unsweetened, some more peanut butter. We also got some hot dogs, bacon, chicken, some chorizo. We also got bananas. I know they're green, but they were the only ones that they have. We got some tomatoes, tilapia fish. We got some almond milk. This one I really liked, so I purchased it again. We got some coconut milk, and then we got some pears. This mango pico de gallo, which is really good. I have tried it before. I got 2 of those because it's really hard to find. And then we got some lime, oranges, some romaine lettuce. We also got spinach, mango chunks, strawberries, some more kale, and some more of the granny green apples. These are really good. So I am going to put all of these away. And yeah, guys, that was all that I got from Aldi. I spent like $100 on this. Like, groceries at the moment doesn't seem like a lot, and they're super expensive. So yeah, but Aldi's is the best. We get cheaper prices, and I cannot complain. So all of this is for the week. Obviously, we cannot eat all of this, only the chicken and the tilapia fish, but hot dogs and all of that is processed food, so we cannot eat that at the moment. If you guys don't know, I am in a 21-day smoothie detox diet, and I will link it down below if I can find it. It's basically for 21 days you drink 2 smoothies, 2 snacks, and 1 dinner, which is, it could be chicken or tilapia fish with some salad, and that's it that you get to have for the day. So I will go ahead and let you guys know about the results, and then you guys are also going to see me making smoothies later on today, but I do have to tackle the kitchen after I'm done putting all of this away, so stay tuned.
The stars in the night, every superpower that is yours will be mine. I'll be that it girl, pouting mouth, crossing the line. You seem like you're the ruler of TikTok when you rock. Well, how can you seem like you're a Wimbledon winner? I do the same, I'm a sinner. I wanna sing the melodies, wear my heart on my sleeve, dress in rainbow colors. Why can't I make a bold statement on my mistakes and not break? Be that it girl, that lit girl, crossing the line. You seem like you're the ruler of TikTok when you rock. Well, how can you seem like you're a Wimbledon winner?
Alright guys, so after cleaning the refrigerator and putting everything back together, I swept and mop, and that will be it for today's video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next week with another video.
I do the same, I'm a sinner. I do the same, I'm a sinner.